We'll go over the answer and explanation to the remove duplicates from sorted array coding exercise. At the top of the code, we will include the vector, algorithm, and cassert header files. Inside of the remove duplicates function, we will create an int variable named lastElement that we initialize to nums at index 0. Then we will create an int variable named count that we set equal to the length of the nums vector, obtained by the size method. For int I equals 1, while I is less than nums.size, incrementing I by 1 each time, we will check if nums at index I is equal to lastElement. If so, we will set nums at index I equal to 101, and then decrement count. Else, we will set lastElement equal to nums at index I. At the bottom of the function, we will call the sort function and pass in nums.begin as the